again block fruit. Look, I am magma because I am doing seaweed hunting. So when I am destroying the bots, I got a thing. Look, Buddha. Now I am eating the Buddha and doing the raids. So I am going there. F1 ability of the magma. Yes, gonna. Faster, as faster I can. Bro, fast. Bro, fast. Magma is slow literally. Yes. Z attack, C attack of the magma, of the superhuman, then F of the magma. And I am going to buy the Sharkman Karate because I need full fighting style because I am Buddha. And I also need super god human. So I am here. My energy is literally low. Wait, I am eating the Buddha. Now I am in safe zone. Now, Buddha. Bro, come. You are the best. Bro, come. Eat. Yes, Buddha activated. I don't have fruit to raid. What? Literally? I don't have fruits. So first raid I am doing with my money. Yes, 100k money. Bro, buy. First raid I bow. Start. Start, bro, raid. Open Haki. Now. Wait, I need to equip my ghoul mask. Where is the ghoul? Bro, first ghoul. Ghoul is the best for raids. Yes. Now. Oh, I didn't equip. What? Sharkman Karate. Shit. Bro. I didn't equip the Sharkman Karates. Oh. I didn't equip the Sharkman Karate. Because the Sharkman Karate is good for raids. Die, bro. Superhuman is here. Now I need you. 300 master on death, 400 master on death step, electric claw, then god human. Then I will bow out the god human. Yes, killing them fast. Yes, die, bro. Die, bro. Now I will max my. Now where is the stats? Now I will max my melee and sword. Then how much strength left? I will put it on health. Kill, bro. Die. Bro, die. We need to kill it faster. That faster we can. Do this raid faster as faster we can. As I can. I also have the ghoul race. The best race for doing raids. Die, bro. Oh. You are a ball like. Die. My health is not that much. What? My health is almost 10,000 health, but Millie only 4,000. That Millie is not good for doing raids. Bro, kill them. My damage is literally low. I'm going there to the third island, and I also have 9 minutes 30 seconds left. Bro, die. You wanna die, you will die. Now I'm going to kill them. Literally killing them so fast. Killing them so fast. My health is low. Health is low. My health is low. Literally low. My health. Yes, my health regains. Bro, my health regains. My health regained as faster as I can. I need to regain my health faster. The flame user is here. The flame user is literally strong. Yes, die. Die, bro. The electric fighting style user are suck. Bro, literally suck. Die, bro. Die. Yes, third island clear. I am max stat on my block shoot now. So I am doing my block shoot attacks. This. Open my V3. Because V3 have power. To reload your attack faster you can. They are trying to kill me, bro. I'm so strong. Bro, they are trying to literally kill me. But I will kill them literally as fast I can. I can kill them. I can kill them, bro. It's island clear? No. Kill them first. Bro. This Buddha attack was sus. Only these are left for my next island. Die. Everyone die. Die. I will also use sword in Buddha. Everyone die, bro. Die, literally, bro. Why they are not dying? 50,000 combo I give them. 50,000 combo. One has been flied. My combo gone. Die. Everyone die. I'm telling you to die. Bro. Are you literally suck? Die, bro. How much health did you have? One die. Second is also dying. Die, yes. Now the last island. And also I also have time. And I also have 5 minutes to do this island. Die. My damage is little bit low, but I can do it. Do the raid. Yes, do it. Bro, do it. I need frags to do this. Bro, die. Everyone die. Boss have much health. Boss literally have much health. Oh, boss flagged me. Boss, I'm here to kill you. Oh, hell core attack, bro. Do you know? I am Buddha. My health is literally full. My health is literally full. Die, bro. Die. I also need Good Rest V4. How did I get that? This is Good Rest V3. Die. Is Flame User die now? Flame User is so strong. And the boss is much stronger than that. Die, boss. I have 4 minutes to kill you. I'm using my Buddha attacks. Die, bro. My energy is literally low. And health is also a little bit low. They all have half health. Boss, die. Die, boss. Die. The Flame User died, but boss didn't die. 1 Flame User, 2 Flame User are here to help the boss. But I can kill them. Bro, where am I flying? Am I flying? They are doing the attack and I am flying. Everyone die. Die, everyone. I'm overheated. Die, bro. I'm overheated. Die. Bro, die. I'm overheated. 3 minutes left to kill them all. Boss have much health now. Boss also have much health. I'm trying to killing the boss. The Flame User are small. Flame User are easy to kill, but I'm killing the boss. My health is 6,000, and they both are almost dying. And 2 minutes 30 seconds left, bro. Fast. I need to do that fast. Flame User first you die. Yes. Now Buddha. Oh, why I go in the lava? Bro, die. Boss, are you my friend? Die, bro. Boss, die. If you wanna my friend. Die, boss. Die, boss. If you wanna be my friend. Die. Yes. Is raid finished? Yes. But I got less fragments. Bruh. I got less fragments. I need to do 2 more raids. Yes, 2 more raids. I'm going to do 2 more raids. How many fragments does I have? Oh. I'm going there and I need to kill 1 NPC on here. Then he will give me 100 frags. I need to go there. Literally fast. My speed is literally slow. Ever slow than anyone. Yes, here. I need to go here. Hydra Island. Yes, here is an NPC that give you 100 frags if you kill a 1 person. Where is that place? No, there is that place. Bro, go there. Yes. Is here that one place? Where is that place? Yes, here. Here is the dead place. Yes, there's one place. Bro, give me the quest. Yes, sure. Feed 1 dummy. Strong again and range attack. And start healing after 2 times. of not taking damage. Okay, bro. Die. How much damage I did giving him? Only 3000 damage. I need to kill him. He will reheal 2 times. Is he rehealing? Yes, he rehealed. He's also attacking me, bro. Bruh, what? Are you also attacking me, bro? Bro, this attack. Then this attack. Then this attack. He regained his health more. I need to kill him as faster I can. Because when I'm not trying to kill him, he will heal himself. I need to kill him faster. As faster I can. Yes, die, bro. Die. His health is low. If I kill him without quest, did he give me frags? He gave me frag. How much frag did he give? Did he give me 200 frags? And the quest also completed. Now spawn again, bro. Spawn again. Now I kill him. Is he give me frags? Because this is easy. This is easy with the red. Red is little bit hard with this condition. The red is little bit hard with this condition. But that is easy. This one is easy. Training dummy is easy to kill. Now he regain his health. I know. Now he regain his health. Why is not regaining his health? Bro, regain your health. Now he regain his health. I kill him, but I didn't get. Can I get something? He didn't give me frags. Now again, I need to go there. How much frag does I have? I need more frags, bro. I need more frags. Bye bye guys. I'm going to eat some food. So bye. अभी मेरे जाने का टाइम हो गया तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. तो मेरा खाना खाने का टाइम हो गया तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. इसलिए अभी क्योंकि अभी मैं मर गया तो इसलिए मैं जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, बाय. और खाना खाने का टाइम हो गया तो मैं जा रहा हूँ.